right now we're about to make a neon, like a dog, and I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna join you, and then stay in the neon cave, and I'm gonna teleport to you, and I'm also gonna do a TikTok about it. Alright everyone, I'm about to film about you filming a neon dog. By the way, my user on TikTok is @me_Roblox808. So if you want to join, if you want to follow me there, of course, go ahead. I accept everyone as they are. Alright, I'm so excited. Alright, I'm gonna teleport to Elsa, guys, because she's in the neon cave, I think. Are you in the neon cave? Yeah. Alright. Okay, so she wants to make a neon tonic fox, which I will definitely help her with, because she has been giving me lots of toys in the last video. Well, lots of pets. Alright, I'm gonna teleport to you. And she also helps me out a lot with free stuff. Oh, darn it, I forgot to join the server. But don't worry, I'll join your server right now. Guys, I'm actually walking around the room. I'm actually so excited. I'm actually so excited. Okay, guys, so my goal is to make a neon dog. Yeah, because then I could actually accomplish something, which me actually doing instead of trading. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so nervous right now. I'm actually so excited, but at the same time. Alright, so if you hear me right now, I might be like, hey guys, today I'm doing a thing about me making a neon dog. Well, that's because I'm doing a TikTok about it as well. This is a special moment.
Yeah, you're never gonna find me.
I found you, huh? Oh my gosh, we gotta go. Get off here. Oh my gosh. Alright, I gotta turn into a baby then. Hey, why is it not working?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here. Alright. Why? For what? Alright. Just be quick because this video ends soon. No, you will not. No, I am not accepting that. You better not accept. Guys, if she accepts, I don't know what to do. Good. Okay, guys. Oh, no. Keep your stuff.
I don't like some stuff.
How about a legendary air trade?
Hmm?
Nothing. A stick. Thanks for the stick, Elsa.
Add something. You added a tent.
No. Alright, let's make this neon dog. Alright. Guys, by the way, if you hear me talking, it is because I'm talking to TikTok. Hello everyone, today I'm making a neon dog. One placed.
I'm not your family.
Number 2. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm actually so excited. By the way, guys, I'm not talking to TikTok anymore. I'm talking to you. Oh my gosh. Number 3. On the last one. The time has come, guys. Let's place it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you can't see that.
Hey, no, Elsa. You just ruined it. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh, look at it.
Can you give me a neon dog?
Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. By the way, go out and check out my TikTok at @me_Roblox808, where you can see me making a neon dog. And also, if you check my YouTube channel, you'll see me making a neon dog. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video.